moon power. It's Brooklyn. We're going to do Sailor Moon makeup today. Color pop makeup, I mean. And then we're going to go with this. Look at this guy, wow. So we're going to start with this. So it's kind of cute inside. Look at that. So this is kind of cute with Sailor Moon cap. So we're going to take this blush brush. So we're going to tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Then tap, tap, tap. 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 We're all done with that. Now we're going to move on to lip gloss. So we're going to just twist that. We're going to mix up and look at that. We're just going to stick that on me. We close that. And then we're going to take this lip gloss and look. We're going to take that off, slide that here, put it on my lips. We're going to close that. And next up that, we're going to use this. And look at that, so cute. And we're going to open this up. Oh, look at the colors. So we're going to use purple. So we're going to get our eye brush. And we're going to use this brush. So we're going to use mixed up ones. We're just doing makeup right now, and I'm putting on the makeup. This is my eyelid right here. And we're just putting it on with a brush here. We're done with that. And we're going to use the white here. And we're going to dip this new brush into there. So we're going to put it underneath the eyebrow bone right here. We're going to use the yellow right now. I just dipped it on here. We're going to put it close to the eyelashes. We're done with this, and now we're going to move on. Look at this glitter. We're just going to put this glitter on us with my finger. Look. We're just going to put on our cheekbone. So we're going to do this one as on the other cheekbone. So look at this purple I just put on my finger. So right now we're just going to tap, 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 tap. Look at that purple on me. Add a napkin. Look at that. Well done. I'm Sailor Moon. Ah! But actually, my name is Brooklyn. I know I just said that to you, but have good luck with this video. Bye.